you doing? Today I was going to share with you some of the funny videos that it took to make the videos with the grandkids, and some of them are hilarious and took longer than I expected. We had a lot of shots that we had to take. You know, the kids are kids, you know, and they don't understand what it takes to make a video, you know, to show it to the public and stuff. And so there's a couple of videos where they're being silly, and then there's one video, we have bits and pieces of it where my daughter has an English bulldog, and when I was there making the video, the dog was napping and he was snoring really loud, and so we had to edit it as much as we could to get the snoring out or retake the video, and it sounded like a grown man in the background, so it was hilarious. So these are just clips of bits and pieces of the videos that we were taking that we found that were hilarious, and that, you know, I had to edit out to make it more presentable, you know, I guess you could say. So, but anyhow, I wanted to share because I did think they were cute, and I might be biased, but anyhow, y'all are welcome to watch them if you like, and I hope you enjoy them as much as I do. And we're going to be going back again to visit with them, and I'm hoping I have some more videos for y'all that we do some little cooking episodes with them. And just been having fun, you know, something for the summer to do. So anyhow, I'll talk to y'all soon and see you in a little bit.
Welcome to Cooking with Paula Darlene.
Hi, my name is Javon. These are Paula's grandchildren.
Javon, I just cut your head off.
Hello and welcome back. These will be the ingredients you will need for Reese's Peanut Butter Cups. First, you will need 2 bags of mini semi-chocolate chips. And then you will need 1 container of peanut butter. Any kind is fine. Then you're going to need 3 bowls. And then you will need some spoons. It doesn't matter how many. And then you will need some cupcake liners. And then a whipping thingy.
Special.
And then
And a
you're
platter.
Gonna need a platter.
Okay. Okay, very good. And then you're going to say, now we're going to begin.
Now we're going to begin. First, I'm going to pour the chocolate chips into 2 individual bowls.
Each package.
Each package.
Pretend. Pour, pour, pour. Okay. Then put just... It's okay. Keep going. Now move your chocolate chips out of the way.
Then we are going to be needing some peanut butter, and we are going to be needing 1 spatula and 2.
Okay, so I need to add some peanut butter into the bowl, and I'm going to heat that up. So I'm just going to add two good heaping scoops
I'm going to add 2 big heaping scoops
into the bowl, and I'm going to melt this for the center of my Reese's peanut butter cups.
I'm going to melt this for the center of my
Reese's
peanut butter cups.
Very good. Okay, now Javon, you're going to take the bowl. You're going to take it over there. Okay, so you put it in, you took it out, now you're coming back. Okay. Okay.
Ow! I burned myself.
Okay, so we're going to go ahead and start because we can stop as we go, okay?
Cooking with Paula Darlene.
Shh! I can't say your name. Paula Darlene.
Everybody say Paula Darlene.
Paula Darlene!
Okay, all right. Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Cooking with Paula Darlene.
Very good.
Wait, who's going?
2. Javon.
Hi, my name is Javon, and these are Paula's grandchildren.
I didn't know. Wait. I got to.
Cooking with Paula Darlene.
Shh! I can't say your name. Paula Darlene.
Everybody say Paula Darlene.
Paula Darlene.
Okay, all right. Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Cooking with Paula Darlene.
Very good.
Wait, who's going?
2, Javon.
Hi, my name is Javon, and these are Pillow's grandchildren.
See how easy it is to eat it.
Javon.
You are a liar.
Hey everyone, Paula here. We're gonna do the even thing.